Okay, now the agenda for today. There are a lot of pointers that I have which needs to be covered in for the day. I will not go through each of them from the readability point of view, but I'm just showing it to you about what the agenda is. The first what I would start is with the importance of referencing and why do we need to use a reference manager and what Mendeley is all about. Installation and setup is something that you all would have gone through. If you have still not done it, I would once again request you all to make sure that you install the desktop web importer as well as the Mendeley MS Word plugin. We will go through the different approaches or methods in order to populate the library. Then we will dwell into the citations, both in-text as well as in-text citation. The in-text, which are also known as bibliography or the references as part of your thesis or the research paper. And then we would go through. Can somebody go on mute? Kavita, I'm hearing a lot of background noise. Okay, then we'd go through with how do we manage the library, some concepts of synchronizing, creating folders, performing all this. And then based upon the time factor, I'm more than happy to take some of these specifics. For example, citation styles, different styles that exist. How do we switch from one to the other citation style? Then exporting the library. And then eventually I will touch base something on the Mendeley site as well as the Mendeley reference manager. So that's the overall agenda for the day.